One of the lucrative crops to plant and fastest growing crop to plant and make your money fast is cucumber. Cucumber is one of the lucrative farm because in less than 60 days you can harvest your cucumber and make a lot of money from it. My name is Daniel and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to talk about how to plan for your cucumber farming and 5 tips needed in planning for your cucumber farming. Tips number 1 is availability of land. Of course, land is very important when it comes to farming. Either you are buying the land or you are renting the land. It is very important to consider one thing: accessibility to the land. How you can access the land and how fast you can get to the land from your house or your location. Depending on this, if this is answered, you are good to go. Then the second tip is land preparation. Of course, land preparation is very important in farming. Talk of land clearing and land farming, which is clearing of the land if the land is virgin. In my next video I'm going to talk more details about land preparation for your farming, for farming. Land for your cucumber farming, you talk about plowing, harrowing, then probably you can ridge. You see, ridging is one of the good things to do because it's going to help the cucumber to have a grip on the cucumber don't like too much of water, so water will not be retained on that land if you try and ridge. If you see some of the video that you're watching, you see how the ridge was done. So the next that is very important that I always emphasize on is seed. The seed you wanted to plant. How viable is the seed and where are you getting the seed? You see, one of the energy used in land preparation is also important to use the same energy when you wanted to purchase your seed. Where are you getting your seed from? Because we have some seed that if you plant it, they are disease carrier, while some has a very good thank God Nigerians have approved a GMO product. I hope in the nearest future they will approve, maybe they will approve GMO cucumber seed, but for now they have not yet approved GMO cucumber seed. But your seed is very important. Get your seed from a reliable seed company, which you can be in a sachet or you can be in a tin. While getting your seed, after getting your seed, you talk about planting of your seed. Of course, a good seed, you are sure that your seed will come out better and fine. At least the germination is very high. That's the benefit of getting a good seed when it comes to planting of your cucumber. Then after that, we talk about post-planting activities. Under these post-planting activities, we talk about land clearing for the cucumber. We talk about pesticide control, insecticide control, and fertilizer application. Of course, cucumber need fertilizer because it's a very short time crop that need to grow fast in order to give you yield, a high yield for your crop. If all this is maintained, you discover that your crop will have a very good yield in the later on. Then the last but not the least, which is the 5th one, is harvesting and marketing. Of course, harvest, if you do your homework, plan it very well, discover what you are going to harvest in your cucumber farm is going to be very lucrative. Because my visit to one of the cucumber farm in Okelamure, I discovered that what they harvest in 1 acre of land is more than 200 bags of cucumber, which tells you that cucumber is one of the lucrative business to go into, and markets for cucumber is so demanding right now because cucumber is mostly believed that it is planted in the northern part of the country. No, it can be planted in the southern part of the country, here in the southwest, western part or south part of the country. Cucumber is in high demand right now. You see in the market that people are buying cucumber, so it is a very lucrative business. You don't really need to worry yourself much about the marketing side of the cucumber. All that is important is to put into consideration some of the energy that you needed to produce the cucumber, to farm the cucumber before it